Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this fantastic 2-bedroom end terrace property tucked away down on Vicars Street over in Eccles. As we enter, you've got 2 reception rooms and a fitted kitchen to the rear of the property, 2 fabulous double bedrooms and a modern shower room which was updated around 4 years ago. So we've just come through the entrance hall on in to the main sitting area. Now loads of potential whether you take this wall out and open up the 2 rooms, or as other neighbours have done is extend this second reception room to the level of the kitchen and have a fantastic open plan kitchen dining area. A little bit of storage just beneath the stairs. A boiler is around 5 years old. As we then head into the kitchen, this absolutely beautiful gem of a garden, which is lovely and private. Bit of storage built in. Does benefit from the sun out here all day long as well. As I say, you could extend just to where the kitchen level is, or equally to where the outside storage is, and have a fabulous open plan kitchen living dining space to the ground floor, along with the first reception room as well. I'm just heading up to the second floor. You've got the bathroom directly ahead of us, which, like I say, was updated 4 years ago. The timeless white suite, and then a walk-in shower. Quite generous in size in here as well. On into the second double bedroom. It's now overlooking the rear garden. And just down the landing into this fabulous master bedroom, which overlooks the front of the property. In a lovely little location within Eccles, which is just a short walk into the town centre, where you will find fantastic transport links, good local shops, not too far from Monton Village if you're wanting an evening out and some drinks. And there's also fantastic motorway links surrounding yourself here. So if you would like to come along and take a viewing of this lovely property, loads of potential as you can see, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.